Merry Easter.
Merry Easter.
Yeah.
Merry Easter.
Yeah.
In this video, I guess we'll talk about, we've been working on the blue car. We'll show a bit of that. What have we done? The gauges.
Yeah, a bit more wiring and
Shifter.
yeah, shifters
console,
in, console,
fuel tank.
switch panel. Yeah, fuel tanks sorted.
Yeah, a few of those bits and pieces have been put in. But
Yeah.
we have spent a bit of time on our Jeep One.
Jeep One, yeah.
But first,
Yeah.
as anyone who's been watching our channel knows, we've been annoying Bolter Brewing for a few weeks trying to get some sort of sponsor.
Sorry, Bolter Brewing. We didn't mean it, you know. And what I said about the IPAs, I didn't really mean it.
He really does like IPAs.
No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. I do like this one, though. The Bolter Cerveza.
So they
is our drink of choice at the moment.
We were asking for a sponsorship. We didn't really know what we'd get with the sponsorship.
No. We just thought we were Richard Rawlings.
Yes.
Because he had a beer, you know, so anyway.
So we thought, like, if we got beer, that'd be good. We did. They sent us a carton of beer. So thank you very much.
So there's a little thank you at the end of the video. Yeah. So watch till the end and there's a thank you.
Use it on their socials.
Drink responsibly.
Drink responsibly.
Yeah. Okay. Drink responsibly.
But if Bolted, like I reckon, if they're going to step it up.
Hang on, these are annoying shit out of me. I can't do it.
I hadn't even noticed.
Yeah. Do I always look like that?
Yeah.
I borrowed them off Harlan. Yeah.
But if they want to step the game up, you know, like they're an Aussie company with a Mexican beer, we have to do an Australian car as a lowrider.
Ooh.
I've never seen one. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, no, I have. I saw a Falcon once, like a maybe an EB or something like that. Yeah, with a lowrider paint job. Yeah, over East. Not here.
Like a HQ Holden.
Yeah.
13-inch wires. Lowered. Nice custom paint job.
There was one done in the 80s.
Yeah.
That nice Brougham.
Comment what you think we could do.
Yeah.
There you go.
What we could pitch to Bolter Brewing.
Bolter Brewing. They could do
as a promotional vehicle.
Giveaway car.
Yeah.
Anyway, we've been working on Jeep One.
Yeah.
Our favourite Jeep at the moment.
Because it's so easy.
Yeah.
It's just like, So I've sort of got the floor sussed, fuel tank position sussed, motor and gearbox are in now, mounts are done. We got to put a centre in that diff housing, which we've got a centre out there, so we'll do that maybe next week, and then I can actually make a tail shaft for it.
Tail shaft, yeah.
And then we'll do some skids.
Yeah, we've worked out.
We've got to get a radiator. That might help.
We've ordered a radiator.
Yeah.
We've had a steering column here already, so we've...
well, we're going to use that steering column on something else, weren't we?
Use it
on Jeep 2.
We decided we can use it on Jeep 1 and put another one that we had on
Jeep 2. So, we just need a shifter. So, it probably won't be that long till it's out maybe trying to do skids.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
It's going to be a fun little car. It's not going to weigh much, and it's a ultra short wheelbase.
Yeah.
So if you think the Mori goes around
really
quick, I reckon this is going to go around a hell of a lot quicker. So, yeah.
So obviously for Easter Monday at our shop, 9 a.m. till 11 is caffeine and gasoline. Usual deal, turn up, park out in the verge, in the yard, wherever you can find a spot.
Coffee van will be out the front.
Weather's going to be good. Looks like it's what,
No,
mid-20s?
30 now they're saying.
Yeah,
under.
okay.
So it's nice.
If not, buy a hat. We've got hats.
Slip, slop, slap.
Oh, yeah, slip, slop, slap.
Yeah.
You
should know that. Yeah, that's right. That's right.
So that's it. This video is just a little short one. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Bolter.
And that's it. We'll see you Monday. Everyone turn up.
Come down. And if I don't get at least one Easter egg, I'll be really disappointed in you guys.
We can't afford Easter eggs. We only work.
No, I went to buy chocolate the other day. Holy shit, have you priced chocolate lately?
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
You imagine how much Ferrero Rochers are now. I can't even look. Remember when your mum would say, "What are you doing? You can't eat those."
They're the special chocolates. You can't eat the special chocolates. Yeah.
You get told off. It was like you're taking the rent.
Yeah. So, at least one of you bring me an Easter egg, please.
Yes, bring me an Easter egg.
Yeah.
See you Monday.
Yeah.
And now, fun bit.
Yeah. See ya.
See ya.